Y'all, no. I don't know what I'm doing. Do y'all see that forehead? Snatch. That's blended. That's nice. Okay. What am I doing? Hey Glam Dolls! Welcome back to my channel. It's Taylor here. If you're new, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing something different. Listen. Let's just prep right now, okay? I do not know what I'm doing. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be trying the Scott Barnes makeup tutorial. He has like this weird, crazy way of doing makeup. It's not weird, it's like just different, and it's very different from the typical average beauty guru, beauty influencer makeup. Like, it's just this whole technique that he does, and I think it's honestly beautiful and it's amazing, and I've been seeing so many people recreate it, and I took the time out to actually watch one yesterday, and I was like, this is crazy, and can I do it? Because I don't know if I'm that skilled. It's very confusing, so we're gonna get through this together today, because I don't even know if I can even okay. I was trying to watch a little bit beforehand, so it's very confusing, and it's like, it's a different technique overall, but I just really wanted to try it. So today I'm gonna try the ultimate Scott Barnes makeup tutorial, and we're gonna see how it goes. So before we go ahead and get into this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get right into it. We really get right into it. Hold up. Okay, so first to start out, I'm not going to be putting the video up on the screen. Basically, I'm just going to be watching it on my phone, and we're just going to be watching it together and going through the motions. Okay, so I already saw that he doesn't use primer, which is crazy, but I'm not even doing my eyebrows first. This is like insane to me. I need to do my eyebrows, but I'm not going to do them. I'm going to do it exactly how he did it, or try to do it exactly how he did it. We're going to try. I'm not even using sponges today. Oh, this is just blowing mine. Okay, anyway, let's just get to it. Okay, so I'm about to put it up. Let's see what the first step is, because I think it's concealer, but let's just see how he does it.
So I'm going to use all-nighter, right? What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham. Like, I'm gonna use makeup. Like, I'm not gonna pretend.
Okay, so first step is concealer. He's using a light concealer. Okay, so first starting out, I'm gonna be taking my ColourPop concealer, and we're just gonna go ahead and start, I guess, going ham, like he said. Okay, so I'm gonna open it, and we're just gonna, holy, okay. The only thing with this concealer, I feel like it's so dark. I mean, too like yellow, but we're gonna use it. Okay, cool. So now he says he starts to blend it in. He uses a cat paw. I don't got no cat paw, so I'm gonna use this little tool right here, and he like blends it out like that, I guess. Okay. I'm saying okay. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know about this. First of all, I already don't use brushes, but whatever. Y'all, no. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? This don't even look normal.
Why are you I always try to cover this up. Because I don't like my bones.
Everybody else is like, clavicle, give me clavicle bone. And you're like, let's get rid of it. To the director, and I'm like, well, what are we doing? Where's the light? And then depending on what lighting we're doing, or what the AD is using for lighting, it will determine what I do into the nose.
Okay, now he's contouring the
into
nose.
the sides of the face.
Okay, so now for the nose, I'm going to take this little brush right here. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to do the nose. Y'all, I'm trying. Okay, I want this to look good, but I don't know.
Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death.
Now, the last thing I need to do is overline my lips because my lips are already big. But I'm going to do it. I said I wasn't, but I think I'm going to do it because why not? Now, my lips are already big. I don't need to overline. Look, I got crazy lips. Okay, now he's taking some foundation. Because I got all this on my face and I know what I'm doing, I'm going to use a light foundation today. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is light in consistency, but it's full coverage. So I'm going to take some of that and like do like one pump. And then I'm going to lightly tap. Then he's like... I don't know what he's doing. I guess he's like... blending it into the face, like that. It kind of looks good though. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god.
All of her shows in Vegas, right?
Yes.
For all of them?
Yes.
But were you there the last show?
Okay, I get it. I see it. I see the vision.
So good.
Y'all see it blended? Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do like a little bit like
okay.
what stage, like for like a music
There
video.
is a difference because
Y'all see that forehead? Snatch. That's blended. That's nice. Okay. I didn't expect that to blend nice like that. Let's continue. Okay. So this side blended really nicely. I just gotta get this side to be like that. So I'm gonna go back in with some of that contour and I'm gonna take some more of that foundation. Oh, snap. It looks like really good. Really good. What y'all think? Let's continue. I don't know. We might have hope here. Let's keep going.
Scott's like the first one to do full-on body glowy makeup.
Okay, you doing all that blending. I don't know what he's doing because I done blended everything out. But what are you blending?
Cream. I think that cream works primarily better than powder.
Okay, so now he's doing blush. I don't wear blush. I mean cream blush. I don't wear cream blush. So the best thing I got is some lipstick. I'm gonna take a dab of this ruby red lipstick. Ooh, that's so red. So now I'm gonna take another brush. I'm gonna start blending it on my cheeks. Ooh, that's red. So cheeks are blended out with blush, whatever the case may be. All right, moving on.
It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. And we want you to look like a baby face. So baby face is...
I'm gonna take my Airspun powder and I'm just gonna blend some of this under. Okay, moving on.
So what powder are you using? You're using your powder.
I'm using Petal. She's a little tricky.
Wait. When did he blend out the nose? See?
Bring everybody together.
He's not even saying everything. Like, when did you blend out the nose, bro? Look, watch.
Bring
Right
everybody
here.
together. Two
Look,
different zip
nose
codes. You're
contour.
like, whoa. And then they blink their eyes and the lid's white. Okay, powder.
Like, what? I'm just gonna blend this out. I don't even know how to do this. How could he just leave us with a nose contour like this? Like, that's not even right. Alright, let me figure this out. So for nose, I'm just gonna take that foundation brush and blend. Because I feel like that's what he would do.
Ooh.
A lot for highlighters.
Love that.
Think.
Ooh, yes.
I have this Wet n Wild pigment. It is right on my copper. I've had this pigment for years. I'm just gonna take some of this and I'm gonna use this as highlight today because I just feel like it'll give me that inner glow. So I'm just gonna take my little highlighter brush and I'm gonna dip some of that in there, shake some off, and then blend it on my cheeks. And just like I thought. Moving on, let's continue. I'm just gonna take some Warm Honey by LA Pro.
And the shape on these, this is the trick. You do this. It's like, well, why would you do that? And it's like,
Food or something like that. So remember our little...
I think it's crazy how he do lips first. I'm trying to debate if I should follow, but I'm gonna just follow. I'm gonna put some brown, lightly though. Okay, I put brown. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Hint of Honey. I'm gonna blend this on. What he does is he flicks outward, he said. Then on top of that, I'm just gonna take this metallic lip gloss that I have, and I'm just gonna put some of that on top.
Okay, so
He did the eyebrow. I don't really know what to do with my eyebrows yet. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then come back and show y'all because I don't really know. Should I try to do them natural or should I actually do what I normally do? I think I'm gonna attempt to do them natural and just see what happens. So I'll be back and I'll let you guys see the finished results. Okay, so I'm back. I opted out for natural looking brows. They actually don't look too bad, so I'm not mad at them. Okay, so moving on to the eyeshadow.
And it has the right shape to do so much.
It works.
And that's, I was talking about this before, that really you can use that one brush if you're just doing a very easy look.
Okay, so basically what he's doing is taking a brown eyeshadow. He's taking like a pointer brush and he's like working the eyeshadow into like a circular motion on the eye. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm just going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics palette and I'm going to be taking that brown in there. And I'm just going to work it into like a circular motion. Shades. I'm going to put those onto the eye. I'm just taking a blending brush and blending that out. This makeup technique is so weird for me, like for real. This reminds me of how I used to do my makeup back in the day. My eyeshadow used to look like this. Okay, I don't care anymore. I'm kind of tired of doing this and I'm over it. Okay, let's continue. Next, I'm gonna put on lashes and mascara, and then I think we're done. And I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish this up because I'm tired. Okay, period. Okay, I'm back. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up because I'm over it. I'm gonna take my Lmao setting spray and I'm just gonna set my face. Okay, so now we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and give my final thoughts on this makeup look. Here is the finished look. I feel what is this? I feel like it doesn't look bad, but I definitely didn't hit it on the head with this one. Like, y'all, I don't look as glowy and snatched as she did in her video, okay? I love the technique. Like, it was pretty cool to see my forehead blend out like that and my cheeks or whatever the case may be. But my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, he gotta come and do it to my face because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, this is my first time ever doing a technique like this, so I don't really know how to do it. I guess it's trial and error, and then like if I try it again over time, maybe I could get better, but I'll just stick to my normal way of doing my makeup. I don't got time to be sitting here and try to blend and blend, and I don't got time for all that. I just do my makeup the regular way that I do it, and that'll be that on that. So my opinion overall, I failed. Okay, let me know what you guys think, and if you guys go ahead and try this out, let me know, because this is an interesting technique to do and it really does take skill. Like if you are a more like a real artist, like a real artiste when it comes to makeup or just like painting and stuff like that, you might like this technique, but me, no. I just like makeup and I just like to do what I do and that's just it. I don't really like this style, or maybe I need to take a class or something, but it's just not for me. So it's a no for me, but let me know what you guys think, okay? Okay, so with that being said, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to try something new on my channel and just see if I can actually do it. But here's the results. We see how that's turned out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you stayed all the way to the end, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to stay and become a glam doll today. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you guys all in my next video. Bye!